The Green Piano: How Little Me Found Music. Little me, in my Blue Ridge mountain town of Asheville, North Carolina, living on a street named Velvet, then on one named Circle. I didn't have fancy fine clothes, high-priced toys, or other richy rich things. But I had music, my treasure, my gold. Daddy, his name was Laurent, at one time a waiter, at one time a cook, and later a builder, had taught himself to play piano, harmonica too. Mother, her name was Irene, a maid for a time, had taken some music lessons as a child, and now played the organ so nicely at our church. Piano too. At age 3, maybe 4, there was me at the keys of that church piano. I'd use my elbows on the ebonies because my fingers were too short. Mother and Daddy were so tickled by that, and so proud of me. I imagined an entire congregation listening to me play hymns like "Precious Lord, Take My Hand," and even songs I heard on the radio like "A Tisket, a Tasket." And I dreamed of having my very own piano. Dreamed of my own piano when I tapped out tunes on tabletops, windowsills. Dreamed of that piano when, with my slight voice, I sailed into sing-alongs with my big sister Nancy, with my little sister Lorene. "Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star" was a favorite. Older me, age 6, started taking piano lessons from a mighty fine lady with a noble-sounding name, Mrs. Hightower. And when Mrs. Hightower heard that we were moving, "You must make sure Roberta continues her piano lessons when you get up there." Up there was Virginia, in a place called Green Valley, in a home where Mother, Daddy, neighbors, friends made music together, offering up soul-soothing harmonica tunes, playing the spoons, singing love right into our living room, with me still dreaming of my very own piano. Then one day, not so many miles away, in Washington, D.C., Daddy spied something in our junkyard he was passing by, something that brought a glistening to his eyes, something he just knew would make my 9-year-old me burst into 1,000 smiles. A piano. A small, upright piano. Old, ratty, beat-up, weather-worn, faded thing. Its ivory's terribly stained, and it stank. But Daddy, he saw treasure, saw gold. "Can I have it?" he eagerly asked Mr. Junkyard Man. "Come and get it," the man replied with a shrug. Lickety-split, Daddy hustled up help to haul that piano home. When I first saw my piano, I saw a miracle. Daddy put all into fixing up that old, ratty, beat-up, weather-worn, faded, stained, stinky thing. When can I play it? That was me as he cleaned it, with Mother lending a helping hand. When can I play it? That was me as he tuned it. When can I play it? That was me as Daddy painted that piano a grassy green. I couldn't wait for the paint to dry. And then, gently, I touched the keys. My green piano, already a part of me. Notes flowing through my fingers, to my body, to my soul. I practiced for hours and hours, teaching myself to play songs from the radio like "Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow." Teaching myself to play songs from church like "Amazing Grace." Taking piano lessons again from Alma Blackman, a top teacher in D.C. Soon my fingers, longer, stronger, graceful, were gliding into songs like Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata, like Handel's Messiah. Soon, when I sang along to songs, my voice was no longer slight, but stronger, richer, smoother. And soon I had an even bigger dream. Of a life all wrapped up in the majesty, the magic of music. My treasure, my gold. Grown-up me lived this dream, year after year after year. Along the way, I never forgot the joy, the miracle, the wonder, the blessing of my green piano.